What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Jeep in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude that's still under factory warranty. It's got the slate blue Pear exterior with the black and ski gray cloth interior. Coming in at 20,413 miles, it's got the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and it gets 22 city, 30 highway MPG. It's got the ParkView rear backup camera, the Uconnect with 7-inch display, SiriusXM, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, Media Hub, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, a 6-speaker audio system, AC auto temperature control with dual zone control, tilt telescoping steering wheel, 60/40 rear folding seat, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Jeep in Ventura, and you just previewed a certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude.